Combining the solid dependability of tradition with the efficiency of modern high-tech product flow, Hytrol introduces the next generation of the EZLogic Accumulation System, Gen 3. Gen 3 offers all the same great features of EZLogic while incorporating new technologies for ease of installation, operation, and maintenance. Developing the most advanced zero-pressure accumulation system in the world was the goal of Hytrol. We did that with EZLogic Generation 1 and 2. You, the customer, demanded more, so we created the Gen 3 system to further expand the capabilities of EZLogic. Once again, Hytrol continues to be on the leading edge of technology by revolutionizing conveyor accumulation systems. Zero-pressure accumulation of product. This is the primary function of the EZLogic system. Cartons or pallets may be stopped on the conveyor without the buildup of line pressure between packages. Zero-pressure accumulation is a must for controlling carton traffic in today's modern, high-speed distribution centers, for assembly and inspection workstations, or anywhere cartons must be efficiently stopped and accumulated prior to other system operations. Operational modes. The EZLogic system provides two primary modes of operation for transporting and accumulating product: singulation mode and slug mode. Singulation mode provides individual carton control during transport and accumulation. Each carton is assigned a zone as it accumulates on the conveyor. When released, the cartons are held in their respective zones until the zone immediately downstream is clear. The cartons are thus separated or singulated as they are released and/or transported. There are two ways that EZLogic can assign zones to cartons. In fixed zone length mode, each carton is assigned one mechanical zone, the zone length determined by the mechanical build of the conveyor as it is transported and accumulated. When cartons are transported or released, a gap equal to the length of one mechanical zone is created between the cartons. The other way the EZLogic assigns zones to cartons when in singulation mode is by using Hytrol's dynamic zone allocation technology. When the zone operating mode is set to dynamic zone length, EZLogic uses a process known as dynamic zone allocation to adjust the zone length to fit the carton being conveyed. The mechanical zone length becomes the base zone length. Each carton is assigned enough base zones to accommodate its length. For example, if the conveyor is built up using 12-inch base zones, a 9-inch box will be assigned one base zone, while a 21-inch box will be assigned two base zones, or 24 inches. The cartons are thus allocated the proper number of base zones as required by the cartons. As cartons are transported or released, a gap equal to one base zone is created between cartons, regardless of the carton length. Dynamic zone allocation technology ensures that longer cartons introduced into the system after installation do not obsolete the system. By only assigning longer zone lengths when needed, dynamic zone allocation increases carton throughput, accumulation density, conveyor efficiency, and system flexibility. When individual carton control is not required, slug mode may be used to provide dense accumulation and high throughput. Cartons are not separated when traveling down the conveyor or when they are released from the conveyor. Zero pressure is still provided during the accumulation cycle, but only as the cartons arrive at the proper stopping point. Sleep feature. Conveyor zones that have not seen any carton activity for a selected period of time may be set to go to sleep or stop driving until activity is detected. This reduces noise and component wear, and reduces energy consumption while the conveyor is temporarily clear of cartons. Special functions. The EZLogic system offers a variety of special functions. Some of these functions enhance product flow. For example, the cascaded slug release function creates spacing between cartons as they are released from the conveyor, even if the conveyor is operating in slug mode. Other functions are designed to reduce the need for external controls. These special functions include loading and unloading functions for pallet handling and indexing zone stop control for workstations. Ease of installation and maintenance. EZLogic zone controllers and accessories are all provided with sealed plug-in connectors for robustness and true plug-and-play convenience. EZLogic cone controllers snap to the conveyor without tools, allowing for quick installation and component replacement. Replacing a zone controller is as easy as removing the old unit, snapping a new unit in place, and configuring the new unit. The Auto Configure feature makes even this part of the process a painless task. Interfacing with other equipment. The EZLogic system offers a variety of ways to interact with other equipment and control devices. Inputs may be given to EZLogic zone controllers to control carton release, change operational modes, or perform other operations. Additionally, the EZLogic system provides various output options to signal when a zone is full, when it has accumulated a carton, and to indicate other conditions. Inputs and outputs can be wired to any zone controller on the conveyor using an auxiliary input cable or auxiliary input-output module. These components connect to the auxiliary port of any zone controller and provide a local interface to external control devices. Control inputs and outputs may also be connected to the conveyor using Hytrol's exclusive IOP control wiring system. With the IOP system, all control wiring to and from external control devices is connected to the centrally located IOP unit, which then distributes the inputs and outputs to the proper zone controllers of the conveyor. The IOP system offers several advantages to the integrator, installer, and end user. Some of these advantages include reduced installation cost, fewer conduit runs, junction boxes, and reduced labor, all help to reduce upfront costs. Easy to reconfigure. Inputs and outputs can be moved to other zones on the conveyor without having to run new conduit and wiring. Moving an input or an output can be as easy as swapping two zone controllers. Easy configuration options. The EZLogic system comes pre-configured with the most common settings for your particular model. EZLogic controllers may be configured to meet the needs of your system using the EZLogic push-button programmer or by using a PC and Hytrol's Genesis configuration software. Genesis allows the user to configure one or more zone controllers, save configurations for later use or reference, retrieve diagnostic information, and to access the more advanced features of EZLogic Gen 3. Hytrol's EZLogic conveyor systems are versatile, efficient, quiet, and clean, with fewer moving parts and lower installation charges. Hytrol conveyors help your business grow and save money with modern technology to help move your products to the marketplace. Hytrol Conveyors, leading the way into the 21st century and beyond.